We've got two people, I'm not sure if they're female or male, walking up the stairs, and right behind them come two females getting ready to walk into their apartment. You can see at the last minute here, one of them looks back as they go up the stairs. The attackers come back down the stairs, and gunfire rings out. Gunfire rings out, they run back. The bad guys run away. It looks like the bad guys did have a gun. Let's take this back to the beginning and see what people can learn about how to live a safer pattern of life. A lot of people want to focus on the hard skills, but the soft skills are really have so much to do with you actually getting through a situation like this safe. You can see here in slow motion as the girls go up the stairs, the girl in black in the back looks back because she knows someone's already been tracking them. Now, you can be followed from the front or the back. That's the thing about this. People are always looking behind them, but situational awareness is happening in 360 degrees. Tactical positioning, right? I always talk about those pillars, right? Context, where am I? These ladies are in the seam. They're in a transitional space from the car to your front door, from the front door of your office to the front door of your home. These are transitional spaces. These are when all the attacks always happen. So you should be a little more aware when you're in transitional spaces, right? This is how we break up the word situational awareness and make it applicable to your actual real life, right? Now, these are two women that need to protect themselves. So ladies, pay attention, and gentlemen, send this video to ladies as well that need to understand these tactics and also implement them yourselves. These women are going up the stairs. You see the one in back. If you freeze frame it there, boom, you can see she's got her gun out in her right hand and she is looking up the stairs. How does that happen? Situational awareness. She's already paying attention. She understands that they are being tracked. The bad guys don't know that they've already been found. Attacking the attacker is an extremely powerful principle to bring into a fight, because the attacker is generally assuming that you don't know the attack is going to happen. So if you meet them with more violence of action, generally they are now being attacked, caught off guard, and you are ambushing the ambusher, which can give you some advantages that we'll see here in a second. As we continue with this film, looks like female number 2 in black has already got her GAT. She's already got her force multiplier, her tool for protection, her firearm ready to go. Now they're walking into their apartment. The aggressors unleash the attack. They try to make entry. You've got to know there's certain times when you're going to be at increased risk. When you're getting ready to open the door to your home, that is another moment when it is perfect for an attacker to try to get you inside your home, because one of their goals is always to compartmentalize and separate you from the pack. You ever seen National Geographics? What happens? The animal that gets separated is the one that dies. People talk about survival of the fittest. It's a thing, but the yin and yang of it, the yang of it is simply survival of the pack, elimination of the weakest. So don't get separated. Use the pack to keep you safe. Someone's following you, duck into a store, duck into a coffee shop, duck into a highly populated area, and generally the wolf will back off, right? So now the people that were being attacked are now the attackers, right? Attack can also be used in a good way to save life and change behavior when it comes to these types of violent encounters. Now we see, if you slow the film down, you can see when the shots start ringing out that this other aggressor in the back, you can hear the shots. When that right hand goes up, you see something in their hand. Boom, that person's got a gun out already. Now they're running. The one in back looks like they have a gun as well. The one in green, as they run, fires off a round backwards while running. Bad guys have no rules. They do whatever they want. That's why gun laws are kind of really interesting, because what are you doing? Policing people that pay attention to rules. Last time I checked, robbery and murder were always illegal, but bad people still do it. So who's going to pay attention to the gun laws? Anyways, that's another video, but share this. Anyway, so now you see the aggressors run away. Ladies, pay close attention. Anyone who's not physically potent, understand. A firearm is amazing force multiplier. Your family members should have them. Ask yourself, police are going to keep me safe. Are they really? Could law enforcement have gotten here in enough time to save these ladies? No, this is happening in real time. Therefore, the only logical conclusion you can come to is the reality that your protection is your responsibility in real time. And if you care about yourself and all the other people who are depending on you to protect them, you've got to understand that you've got to be able to protect yourself. Come train with us at the League of Executive Protection Specialists. Join our free Protector platform where you can learn all these things. You can get connected to the Protector community at protectornation.com. Share this video, like, subscribe. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to be more willing, capable, and prepared. Byron Rodgers, Protector by nature and by trade. Out. Boom, boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.